Alright, Connor, what are we doing here?
Well, we are attempting to get... Well, firstly, welcome to another episode of Shop Talk Friday.
A little late because we didn't turn the camera on for a while.
Well, nothing exciting happened. We just talked bullshit.
About Henry Ford.
Yeah. Well, he talked about Ford.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this jet here, let me take it out. Is this hot? Oh, that's a little bit warm.
Yeah.
That heat travels. So this is the Ford branded carburetor.
It's a Autolite, I believe. Or yeah, Autolite? It's made by Ford. And anyway, it's for my 67 Galaxy, not Galaxy, possibly Galaxy.
There's one of the jets.
Oh, one of the adjusting screws.
Well, the remnants of one.
Is broken
So we're
off.
trying to get it out. I fed some of this. This is real. I've talked about it before. I think this Seafoam Deep Creep. It's real good shit. It's like 10, 11 bucks a can, but it's really.
You got to keep it around for the heavy duty stuff.
Yeah,
you know, like this.
What's good is that you can use that stuff with a torch, and it doesn't catch fire or gum up or anything. It just kind of stays there. So I fed it down into the jet hole there, and gave it some gentle heat. So what I'm going to try next, I'm going to take a Dremel or maybe a saw and make a little slot there and get a screw drizzler in there.
Why don't you show the carburetor there? Focus. Alright, we're focusing now. So Connor's making a very precision incision into this adjusting screw. Trying to make it. Whoa! I apologize for the bad camera work. It's
we got a novice here. Novice.
Wow, you're really not gonna like. In that whole 45 seconds, that whole 45 seconds is probably 5 seconds of usable.
We're running pretty low on the moose juice here.
Just put a little more.
I'm gonna have to do the old puncture the can and dribble it out trick.
Creeper.
Of course, when you do that, you punch the can and you try to pour it. It like pours sideways, so you always waste the last bit, no matter what.
So, are we gonna heat this up a little more?
I'm gonna give this another chooch or two with the little torch.
That's very important when you're doing this to make sure you tighten the vise enough so the carburetor body cracks.
Yes.
Or disforms at the least a little disformity.
Yeah.
Now watch out. I think there's some rubber in there.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I was trying to aim directly for that.
Why don't we get that? Why don't we get that out? Right.
How damaged is it already? I think it's fine. I didn't really hit it too bad. Or
it's a little warm.
Well, the whole thing's warm.
Yeah. I'm going to tap it and turn it at the same time.
Well, it's kind of slipping out of the vise.
Oh, there we go.
So you see, this is a trick that I don't know where I picked it up, but especially with screws, you give them a couple whacks with a hammer like that, and it just jars the threads. Push down and here, push. Oh, the vice grips are just. Here, get a different pair of vice grips and clamp it on the flat part of the screwdriver here.
Where?
On the flat, on the blade.
Oh, all the way down?
Yeah. No, with the bigger ones. So you get extra chooch factor.
Oh man,
these tips are a little girthy, but you know.
We're not afraid of a little girth.
That's right, in small spaces. Going?
No. No,
oh, perfect. Well, when it starts to shear like that, that means you're fucked.
Can you cut that a little?
Well, see, I was already starting to go. I could cut it deeper, but you just go into the aluminum a little bit.
Not deeper, but the screwdriver I didn't work.
So we're drilling it, or we drilled it out. I'm using my favorite tool in the shop, and by favorite I mean the least favorite.
This will make or break this carburetor.
So what's gonna happen is that we're going to shear this easy off out in the hole.
Now, I also mistakenly ordered 3 carburetor rebuild kits and figured, I'll keep them in case I have spares, but I'm not going to have a carburetor to put the kits in, so...
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck else to do. I mean, we could, if this doesn't work, we could always back it out and try drilling the hole out even bigger, and eventually the chips... Is that even in focus? Wow, holy shit.
Yeah. See, I'm not using the zoom, I'm just holding it really close, and that seems to help.
You could use the AVE method and just yell at the camera to focus.
Focus. Whoa. I am getting some amazing... You want to see this shit?
I can see that. That's amazing.
That. See, the zoom just doesn't work. If you...
Yeah, it gets...
What if I zoom it? I hope you don't edit this part out of the video. Oh my God. Oh.
Too much.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move. I want to get this in live. Hold on.
Zoom all the way out and back in again. Oh, okay, we're all right.
What?
The vice grips just snapped off.
Hold on, I want to get even closer.
Chris, it's not a microscope.
Hold on. Wait for it.
If you tap on the screen like that, it'll focus on an area.
Oh my God. You can see the glistening on the tap.
Getting pretty... Oh, we're fucked.
Something just happened.
Yeah, we're fucked. Yep. That's why I don't like easy outs.
Is it, boys?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Oh, Jesus.
We will be back.
We're probably going to get some pizza first and think that... Yeah, so we didn't really do so well with this situation here.
It just keeps getting worse.
Yeah, snapped the thing off, of course, and I had a nice cobalt drill bit that will drill that hardened shit out, but it was too big, and I started wandering off center a little bit. So, short of getting another drill bit, smaller one to drill through and maybe salvage it. This is a fucking junk Ford carburetor. It's a real abomination.
But I want to make it work, so I'm going to liberate a drill bit from work, and in the meantime I'm going to look to see if someone has a parts carburetor that's got a...
Or if D. Frank had a head on his shoulders, he would take the Edelbrock carburetor that he says... Holly, excuse me, carburetor, that would fit right on, that he already has, that's fully assembled and not fucked up, and just put that on the motor and be done with it. But we'll try to coat hanger this abortion just a little bit more.
This was an entire Friday night.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, we spent a lot of time, or D. Frank spent a lot of time talking bullshit about Fords, and then we did a little bit of work damaging the carburetor, and this was the most important part of the night, is grabbing some pizza.
Yeah.
And that was about it. You know, they're pretty laid back nights.
Cheap frame, 67 Galaxy, not Galaxy, possibly Galaxy. Send it in a comment.
Yeah, the Galaxy that was in a video. What, two videos ago, 2 shop talks ago, something like that. When we went to go pick up that Ford.
It needs a frame, and yes, I'm going to put a frame on it. They're there. I just don't want to pay what they're asking.
D. Frank is going to do a frame swap
eventually.
Right.
And I plan on doing more car reviews.
Yeah.
I think that was fun. Maybe something during the light.
During the light. Well, light. Yeah, we definitely had an issue with light.
The next car review, little teaser, is going to be my '88 Mercury Grand Marquis.
After it gets all back together.
Well, no, it's 90% back. The only thing I have to do is put the injectors back in, the injector rail, and the intake plenum, and I should be able to start it, check for leaks, finish filling the training fluid, and then Scott is going to help me bleed the brakes tomorrow.
Yep.
So I got that lined up.
Oh, one quick thing we did here. Pop that garage door open there.
Which is good because I'm leaving.
Yep, we all can say goodbye to D. Frank.
I remember these boxers.
They're rags now. Let's see. Pull your fleshlight out there.
Oh, whoa!
There's the Dodge. Look at those minty toolboxes, huh?
They were mine, but they weren't really working on the application I was using them on, and they needed some work, so Connor cleaned them up.
Yeah, they're just sitting there now. I got to mount them tomorrow, but man, they make that truck look nice.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about putting some underbody boxes there too, but those are a little hard to find unless I buy them new.
Look at that frame, huh?
Yeah, solid, not all rotten like my other one.
All right then.
All right, everybody. Well, we'll be seeing you.
Stay tuned for more.
Yep, that's right.
And the Lincoln's gonna be fixed.
That's right.
Point. Transmission.
Yeah, new transmission. Let's fire up this beastly Ford here.
This
Nice
right here,
95
where is that?
F250.
Cold start.
Cold? No, well, medium warm start.
Look at this. Ready? Get this. This is gonna be. This is where shit gets real.
Nice buzzer, super obnoxious. Oh yeah.
Like that? Like the way that sounds? This is the D4 daily driver right here.
That's right. A good solid 9-10 miles a gallon.
No, it gets 10 even.
Okay. Yeah, one of these days when we get more sunlight, I'll have to go down to the shop and your shop and make a couple videos of your shit going on, so people know what the hell's what you're talking about.
Well, every time we get down there, it's fucking cold. And
Yep.
It's like
it's cold.
degrees.
It's dark. Yeah. It's changing soon enough. It'll be spring and summer before we know it.
You do gotta make a video of my garage.
Yeah. We've been there a couple times.
You gotta keep them up to date.
Yep.
I mean, the last time they really saw anything was the Lincoln.
Yep. That's right. Oh man, that was a real clusterfuck. Stay tuned.
See you later.
See you, D. Frank.
See ya.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thumbs up.
And come back for more.